Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. In a lot of Walmarts, in the craft and sewing section, they have these bins that have rolls of fabric in them. They vary in price, usually anywhere from $4 to $8, and they vary in yardage. So in this video, I just wanted to kind of cover what's in those bins and what they're good for. Here's a batch that I bought, has some French terry in it, some stretch knits. Most of the fabrics in them are more of a knit, stretchy type fabrics. I usually won't spend more than about the $4 range on them. And usually they are more synthetic materials. So most of the bindings on them, pretty self-explanatory, tells you how many yards there are, the size of it. A few of them might tell you what it's made out of, like 100% polyester or something, but a lot of them will just say, undisclosed. So you really have no idea. But from what I've looked at, pretty much the majority of them are, as I said, they're synthetic. So they're going to be acetate, polyester, things like that. And most of them are some type of a stretchy material. I did find a couple of shears like this one that was really pretty. I kind of liked the pattern on it. These are great for trying out a pattern, testing sewing on different materials. If you're practicing, anything like that, you can spend a little bit amount of money and, get a decent piece of fabric for it. I have made some garments out of some of this material. There's a few pictures at the end of this video, and they've held up fine. I've washed them. They're pretty decent quality materials. You just kind of have to pick and choose. This was another sheer that I found that I thought it might be a really cute bathing suit cover up. But I do tend to, feel them. You can tell some of the softer ones versus some of the ones that feel really plasticky or just have like a weird feeling to them. But you can find some really unusual and maybe different colors and things like that. And as I said, not all Walmarts have them. I've got several Walmarts within, 15, 20 minutes of me, and about half of them have these rolls of fabric and half of them don't. But I do, every time I happen to be in a Walmart that has these, I will check the bins. Sometimes I don't find anything that I like or that I can use, and then sometimes I might find 3 or 4 things. As I said, I usually don't spend more than the $4. It's like 2 yards for $4, which of course makes it $2 a yard. I usually don't spend any more than that. This piece here, this was a really cute, almost sweater knit leopard print, and I don't have a picture of it made up, but I made a really cute cardigan sweater out of it for winter, and did some, the cuffs and the collar on it were just a remnant of some cream colored rib knit that I had on hand. So if you've never really noticed these fabrics before in your Walmart, or haven't ever tried them, I urge you just to give them a try. As I said, they're good for just practicing, trying out different types of materials, and they do sew up well. You'll see a couple of these in the following pictures. So I hope that this gives you guys some more inspiration, some places to get some inexpensive fabric. And as always, like and subscribe for more great pictures, and happy sewing.